Hello, I'm Venkataraman and this is my new web app, TraceMe. It allows users to see all the places that they have been to in one map, color-coded by purpose. This is my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This app uses Python and Django for the backend and JavaScript for the frontend. The APIs I used are MapQuest and Leaflet. So let me first show you what it's like for a new user to use this application. So you must first register. I'm going to register now. So now that I'm registered, I can log in again. So now I can see that track your life visually, track your life journey on a single map. Now it's telling me to click add a place and follow the instructions to add information about the places that I've been to. So let me do that. For example, Toronto, Canada. Now it'll ask me if this is the right place. So I can continue and I can select any day. I can say I currently live here, or I can select an end date for how long I've been living here for. Then next, and I can select lived here, study, work, vacation, or travel, and all of these are color coded in a different way. So I can say lived here, and I can, for example, add an event like born here, graduated here, other. So I'm going to finish, and now it told me that I have one place in my life map. Now if I view it, I can see there's Toronto here. So I can add a couple more places, like so as you can see here, you can see there's green means live here, red means study, purple means work, yellow means travel, blue is other, and if you're born in a place, it'll highlight as yellow. So I can add a lot of places and I can see which all countries I've been to visually. So let me try to add a couple more places and I'll show you. So now you can see all of these are color coded, and you can see like work, travel, lived here, study, they're all different colors. So this is more of a complete life map with a lot more places, and this is what it looks like for me. And for example, like the place where I'm born is highlighted in yellow, and places where I've lived are highlighted in green, and places that I've visited as travel are highlighted in orange. And clicking on any one of these markers will reveal a pop-up of when I went there and where I went there, and if a special event happened there, it will also show that. And it'll also show where I'm currently living. And every time the page loads, it'll open up the pop-up for the place that I'm currently living in. Okay, that's the app. Let's see the code that makes it work. This is views.py, the main backend file. The index returns the index.html file with the number of places in the user's life map. The add location route, if it's a GET request, returns the add location.html file. And if it's a POST request, it tries to save it to the database as a place. I'll show you this later. And this is the map route. And this would just return the map. It would first get all of the objects, like places that the user has been to, and it will parse a JSON of all of them, and it will send the map to the user. Here is the models.py file. This stores all the database models. This is the place. It has the user, the city, the state/province, country, latitude, longitude, start date, end date, reason, and any event that's happened there. Here are the HTML files. The add location file has multiple questions, and upon clicking the next button, the JavaScript would just check if it's correct or not, and if the input is incorrect, then it would warn the user and not continue. But if the input is correct, it will continue to the next question. And when it's all done, it would parse this as a JSON and send it to the server, which would then save this to the database. Here's the maps.html file, and it creates a map, and these are the different icons for the map, for the different color coding. and this iterates through all of the places and adds them as an icon and a pop-up to the map. And here is the legend. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you liked the video. I'll see you next time.